Hey there! If you're stepping into the world of real estate in Texas, buckle up because I've got some crucial info that's going to make your journey a whole lot smoother. Whether you're planning to buy that dream home or sell a property, understanding the contract and focusing on key areas is essential. Let's dive in. First off, annexation is something buyers should keep an eye on. If the property you're eyeing is outside city limits, it might just get annexed by a nearby municipality later on. This means changes in property taxes, regulations, and services. To stay ahead, reach out directly to the municipalities for the latest on their boundaries. Moving on, let's talk about appraisals and inspections, two peas in a pod, but with different roles. An appraisal gives you the property's value, which is super important for securing a loan. An inspection, though, dives deep into the property's condition. Both are crucial for making informed decisions, so don't skip on them. Environmental concerns and the property's history with hazards like lead-based paint or mold are not to be taken lightly. Federal law steps in with specific requirements for sellers to disclose information on lead-based paint. And if mold's been a guest, it's worth getting the lowdown from the Texas Department of Insurance's guides. Lastly, let's touch on the importance of understanding the property's position in flood hazard areas. Even if it seems high and dry now, insurance companies and lenders have a keen interest in whether the property is in a V zone or A zone. Getting familiar with FEMA's designations and considering flood insurance could save you from future headaches. Homehouzz Real Estate. Let's do real estate together. Jolie and team. Remember, diving into the real estate market with a clear understanding of these areas not only protects your investment but also sets you up for a smoother transaction. Whether you're buying or selling, knowledge is your best ally. Let's make this journey a successful one.